So I really wanted a seagrass or bamboo oversized chandelier, but everything I was finding was not in my budget. So I decided to do a DIY hack. Also, the ones I was finding were just not the right size. And just my luck, I found this oversized rattan basket at home on clearance for $22. Oh yeah. A friend of mine recommended Michael's, where I found this light kit for $12. You could also find these light kits at IKEA. I went ahead and created a hole in the top of the basket with a screwdriver. We took apart the light kit so that way we can put the wire through the opening that we created on the top of the basket. Pulling the wire all the way through to the basket on the other side, giving enough leeway so that it can hang. Because the top of the basket was wire, we couldn't get it exactly centered, so we used zip ties to center it on the top and the bottom of the basket. We reassembled the light kit the way that we originally found it, so that way we can install it. My husband Tony knows how to do this, so he started to install the wiring to the ceiling. We went ahead and removed any of the excess of the zip ties, and then we measured the chandelier from the ceiling where we wanted it to hang, removed any of the excess wires, and as you can see, our dogs follow us everywhere. Tony went ahead and did a basic wiring for the light. If you don't feel comfortable doing wiring and you don't know how to do it, go ahead and find somebody who does. But the lighting kit that we did find at Michael's had the basic wiring instructions included in the package. If you feel comfortable doing the wiring and you do decide to do it, just make sure that the wiring nut is secured so that it does not come apart once you install the lights in the ceiling. And remember to use electrical tape to secure everything. With everything done, we went ahead and mounted the chandelier to the ceiling. I love the end result, and for under $40, I have a DIY oversized chandelier hack. You can't beat that.